Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unboxing for you. Now, I was emailed by a company and they asked if I would be interested in doing an unboxing for them, and I said sure, no problem. So they sent this to me. Now, let's go ahead and get this opened. Now, I've got it turned upside down because all my information's on the other side. But this did come from Amazon, and it took like 2 days to get here. And let's get this open. All right, so throw that box down on the floor. So as you can see, this is a light pad. Now, I wrote down some information on this, and this comes from a store, and I hope I say this right, TOHETO. The person that got a hold of me, his name was Alan, and the store name, brand name is TOHETO, TOHETO. All right, so, and as you can see, it comes in this very nice, sturdy box, and it says it has a lithium battery, tracing light pad. It has 3 color temperatures, 2500, I think that's, I don't know what that is, mAh, lithium battery, 6 levels of adjustable bracket, or whatever, I don't know. Yeah, okay, so let's see. The back just gives a brief product description, tells what's in here, the dimensions, the voltage, the power. Okay, so there's a piece of tape right here just seen. So let's open this up. All right, so this, again, you can get this on Amazon. Now, my desk is not big enough to get everything in, so I'm probably going to be twisting and turning this. Okay, so you get your power cord, and it is a type C power cord. All right, it's got a nice thick piece of foam in here. It's got some cartoon pictures for tracing. It is in a foamy type slip cover, and it gives you a pencil for tracing. All right, let me move that box out of the way, and we're going to take this out of its slip cover. Very light. This is not heavy at all, and it's quite large. All right, so it comes with some instructions for your light pad, easy operation. All right, it does have a cover on it, so let's go ahead and remove the cover. And all this is a protection. Yeah, and this is made quite well. I can tell by just the feel of it. I apologize for all the noise, but this is like tape. All right. Okay, so like I said, they send you these little things here that you can trace. Now, this is an A3 light pad. It is wireless, battery powered. Get that out of the way. All right, so it comes with a mouse, a fly, a dolphin, a dog, another dog, some birds, and then some extra paper for you to use for tracing. All right, so I'm going to move that out of the way so that I can put my notes back out there. All right, now, this is a clip to hold your diamond painting on or your tracing paper, whatever you want to use this for. And of course, I'm a diamond painter, so you know that's what I'm going to be using this for. But this is magnetic, and you can hear it. It's pretty snug. All right, so let's see. It also has these little feet right here. Now, these are non-slip. And then we have this on the back. And you just pull it up. And you can adjust it. Oop, and I already turned this on. Okay, so you can adjust this to where it sits upright. But it sits in different angles. Let me see if I can show y'all. All right, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, or you can lay it flat. So we'll just leave it on that one so that it is tilted up just a tad. All right. So you get this, it comes with it, but this is like a charger. So you don't have to have this plugged in order to use it. And that is the sweet, sweet part of this whole thing. Because if you're like me and you have problems seeing and you have to use a light pad, you can't go anywhere unless there's an outlet. So, say, you know what, this is my phone charger. So let me take that out. And you just plug this right into a phone charger or whatever kind of charger you've got. And it plugs in over here on the side so you can recharge it. Now, you can use this with it plugged up or without, but it's a pretty long cord too, y'all. It's about 3 foot, I think. All right, so that just goes right over there for charging. All right, so this is supposed to have 3 colors. And let's see, let's turn it on. All right, there's a white, there's your normal, and then warm, I think it is, and then off. Very easy to do. All right, let's turn it back on. Now it says you've got 6 levels of brightness. So we've got 1, 2, that's the lowest. So we'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the bright. And then it goes back down to the lowest. And if I wanted it on this, there's 6 levels of brightness for that one. So let's go back to this one. This one is, yeah. And then you just turn it off. But yeah, this is like really nice, y'all. So let's take a look and see how well. I'm just going to set one of these on here. And look, also, y'all, it's got the measurements on the edges. So I'm going to bring you down just a little. That way you can see that there are measurements on the sides. All right. And again, flip that right on there because that is magnetic. Let me get a piece of paper. I don't have a pencil sharpener. So let's see. We'll put this on here, flip the clip down, turn it on, and look, that's pretty good. You can see through that. But you can make it brighter so that you can see. And then you can just trace this. Just trace around it. And then let's see. I'm going to say that's the warm. And then normal. I think there's white light, normal, and warm. Okay, you know what? I have got a diamond painting that I have been working on. So let's turn it around this way. We'll just turn it right here. All right, so just take that right off. And I'm going to bring y'all down. All right, so move that out of the way. Scoot this over just a little so I can see what I'm doing. All right. So yeah, okay, that's off. And we've got it turned on, and then we're going to turn the levels up. That's the lowest. Let's do the next color. So yeah, this is so nice. And let me tell you, like I said, the best part of the whole thing, I think, is just the fact of being able to take this outside. I know me, I like to go outside if the weather's nice and sit out on my patio and diamond paint, but I don't want to have a bunch of cords, you know, to have to deal with. You know, I don't want to go and have to, you know, string a bunch of, extension cords and stuff, just so I can go outside and enjoy myself in the sun or whatever. Who wants to do all that? Because then by the time you get everything wagged outside, and then you have to string a bunch of cords in order to turn on a light pad, and by that time you're probably not even going to want to diamond paint. So I love the whole idea that this is cordless, wireless, whatever you want to call it. So, all right, I'm going to recap because I know this has been kind of a video. So, the name brand of this is TOHETO. That is the brand, the store. It is an A3 light pad. It is wireless, battery powered. It has 3 dimmable colors, which is white, normal, and warm. It has 6 levels of brightness for each of those colors. And then, let's see, there's 6 levels of angles that you can do this on as far as the back goes. What is that called? It's like gosh, I'm like, I can't think. But anyway, there's 6 different levels that you can do with this. And actually it's 7 if you want to count it being flat. And then you just push that down and it's already stored. It has got the little feet, the little slip features. It has got a magnetic clip so it can hold whatever you've got on there. It comes with this natural pencil, but you'll have to have a pencil sharpener. And then it comes with your charging cord, but you will have to have an adapter. Now, you can get this on Amazon for $99.99 is what it is listed for. But they're on sale 30% off for $69.99. And I did see that there is also a 20% off if you hit the little coupon thing. Now, I don't know if that is included or if that's just extra percentage off. You would probably have to see when you do it, and you'll know it at checkout. So, I have Amazon Prime. Like I said, I got this in probably... Actually, I didn't do this. He sent this to me, but I still got it in like 2 to 3 days. So that wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all. But I do know that it is under Amazon Prime. So, all right, y'all. I'm going to leave a link to this light pad in my description box. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. If you have this light pad, let me know in the description box how you like it. So, until my next video, y'all, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.